Hello everyone, today we're making beef and bok choy stir fry. This is a classic combination in Chinese home cooking. Tender savory beef and crisp bok choy come together beautifully, simple and perfectly balanced. Let's start with the beef. Today I'm using beef flank, cut across the muscle fibers. You can cut straight down like this, which is the standard way to do it. If you prefer larger pieces, you can angle the knife slightly while slicing. Then prepare the marinade. Combine soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, some black pepper, a touch of baking soda, cornstarch, shaoxing and water. Give everything a good mix. Then add the beef and toss to coat. Massage gently till the beef fully absorbs the marinade. Then finish with 1 tablespoon of oil and mix well. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the beef is marinating, let's prepare the bok choy. I'm using baby bok choy today. Soak them in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse them under running water. Clean carefully between the leaves. Once cleaned, simply cut them in half. If you are using larger bok choy, you can quarter them or separate the leaves if you prefer. We'll also need some garlic. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Now let's make the sauce before cooking. Combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of water. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to cook the beef. Add some oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the beef. Spread it out quickly and separate the slices if needed. Let it sear for a few seconds, then stir fry briefly. Add the garlic and cook till fragrance removed from the pan. Finally, let's cook the bok choy. Add a little bit more oil to the wok. Then a touch of salt and sugar to build a bit of flavor. Add the bok choy and stir fry over medium-high heat. Once it starts to soften slightly, add a splash of shaoxing and continue stir frying. When the bok choy is just tender, return the beef along with the sauce. Toss everything together till well combined. Then turn off the heat, finish with a drizzle of sesame oil, and that's it. This is one of our favorite home-style dishes. The beef is tender and savory, and what I really love about bok choy is its light, refreshing crunch and natural sweetness. I hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.